This is Billy Guyette with Guyette Roofing. I'm on top of a residential roof that we replaced yesterday in Montgomery, Alabama. Just wanted to give a brief walkthrough of what we did on this roof. We removed all of the old roofing material on the old roof. It's a layer of asphalt shingles and felt paper down to the original wood deck substrate. The plywood on this roof was CDX plywood. We replaced several rotted sheets of plywood. Then we installed a synthetic underlayment that goes underneath the shingles and on top of the wood deck. Around all of the plumbing and penetrations, we installed storm guard self-adhering leak barrier. Also on these sidewall transitions here, we removed this vinyl siding on both of these sidewall transitions and installed new sidewall flashing, then reinstalled the vinyl siding. Underneath the sidewall flashing is a layer of storm guard underlayment and then synthetic underlayment in the field of the roof. The shingle that we're looking at is GAF Timberline HDZ. The color is Weatherwood. On this flat roof right here, we removed the old roofing material, replaced several sheets of plywood, then installed a 1-inch poly-iso board, 4x8 board, mechanically attached. Then we mechanically attached 60 mil Everguard GAF PVC. On these skylights, we built up curbs using 2x6s and then installed curb mounted Velux skylights. This PVC's kind of dirty. Still got some of our chalk on here. It'll wash off with the next rain. On the chimney, we used PVC flashing to wrap the chimney in the corners and then installed counter flashing where the PVC meets the brick. Changed out 2 attic fans, power attic fans. All of the plumbing penetrations, the pipe collars have been changed out. And then the furnace pipe and water heater have new base flashings. We've got new low profile vents. And that's it. This is a pretty typical roof replacement for us in Montgomery, Alabama. This is Billy Guyette signing out.